Welcome. I am the Crazy Celibate, and as always, I'm here for your viewing pleasure. Thank you for collaborating with me today. I wanted to review our pre exam opportunities in this course, and I'm going to take you into my pharmacology class. So, this is Pharm 1 Intro to Pharmacology. This is one of the pre exams that I took. And if you look on the right hand side here, this gives you your feedback. Green are all right answers, red are incorrect answers, and yellow are partially correct answers and responses. So let me show you. I went from a 42.08, I believe, which is an 84.17%. And let me see here if it'll let me do it. I'm going back in. And just a showcase for you, it's an hour and 30 minutes long. And I literally took this exam 10 times. 42.08 to 0, 41.76, 44.25, 41.88, 0, 43, 40, and then I finally got a 47. So, and you take these as an opportunity to read through the material in the book, and then once that's done, you evaluate by going through the quiz and then reviewing your responses. So here I got 3 wrong. Let's open up 44. And it said, the nurse is providing care for a 48-year-old male on the surgical unit. Gentamicin, 2 milligrams per kilogram every 8 hours has been started. The nurse would be most concerned by which of the following findings? So I'm thinking elevated white blood count. They were like, nope. The correct answer is D. The client's BUN is 40 milliliters, deciliters. So with this, it provides you with, immediate feedback and permits you to improve your knowledge base, and hopefully test day, which is today, in about 5 hours, 5.5 hours, you're able to go ahead and take that test and pass it successfully. So like I said, I'm in Pharm, and just to showcase for you what I mean by taking the test and taking it successfully, if I go into grades, let me scroll down for you. You'll see my pre-exam 1. I got a 46.92 on that pre-exam out of 50. And then when I was done, I took a test, and this is what I got. So I got a 98%. The pre-exam prepared me. I got a 93.83 on a pre-exam, and then I got a 98 on the actual test. Yes. And that's what I'm hoping for today. 94 on this pre-exam, and hopefully a 98 again. But the purpose of the pre-exam as well is, if, say for instance, I did get an 83, all of these scores factor in and help you, maintain your grade point average. So this is a blessing, and take advantage of this if you decide to come through this program. All right. Now, let's get into our week. And we did do our presentations for our projects, but I was not permitted to film while people were presenting. However, I will insert some clips showing what my project with my group looked like. This was originally here, but it fell down. So we did our project on childhood obesity from ages 6 to 12, which are school-age children. And then we went into exercise. Yes. We started discussing calories. And nutrition. Yes. We had a blast. And then we had handouts on the emotional well-being of children who were perhaps bullied as a result of being overweight. Tune it up for strong muscles. Hilarious because I'm lactose intolerant. Build your bones with milk. And then say cheese for a healthy smile. Now I must admit, most black and brown people are lactose intolerant, so this might not apply to us. But for those of you who can handle that, and you have that lactase in your system on a regular basis, go for it.
Don't nobody go harder in school than a girl trying to get her nursing license, okay? And let me tell you something, they don't play. They always get it. Every girl I know that went to get their nursing license, they got it. And they always real pretty, real paid, real out the way. Like, if you won't know them unless you went to school with them. Like, they ignore men all day, drive Mercedes-Benz E-classes, got 30-inch bust down middle parts, and they scrubs and they Crocs, and they ignore men all day. They either at work or they at home. They at work or they in the bed. And then when they do pop out, they be fine as fuck, and they be traveling like a motherfucker. Okay? St. Croix, St. Lucia, St. Thomas, St. Bart, you name it.